Welcome. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a chat from a custom list on WhatsApp. WhatsApp's custom lists are a great way to organize your chats, whether it's for family, work, or any other category you can think of. But what if you accidentally added a chat to the wrong list, or you simply want to clean things up? No problem. It's an easy process, and we're here to guide you through it. Here's a simple, updated method to remove a chat from a custom list. 1. Open WhatsApp. Start by launching the WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Make sure you're on the main chat screen where all your conversations are listed. 2. Select the chat. Locate the chat you wish to remove from a custom list. Instead of tapping to open the chat, you'll want to long press or tap and hold on the chat. This will select the chat. 3. Access the Add to List option. Once you've selected the chat, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 vertical dots. Tap on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Add to List. 4. Deselect the list. A screen will appear showing all your custom lists. The list or lists that the chat currently belongs to will be highlighted or checked. Simply tap on the list you want to remove the chat from. This will deselect it. A checkmark or highlight should disappear, indicating the chat will be removed from that list. 5. Confirm. After deselecting the list, tap Done to confirm the changes. The chat is now removed from the selected custom list. That's it. You've successfully removed a chat from a custom list. You can repeat these steps for any other chats you want to remove from any of your lists. Custom lists are super handy for keeping your chats organized, but it's also good to know how to adjust them as needed. WhatsApp is also working on updates to let you further customize your chat lists, including the ability to delete preset chat lists. So stay tuned for more features to help you organize your chats. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.